How to open or create Charles Schwab account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Schwab application on your device. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, once you have opened the application, you will see the Open an Account option. Tap on that. Now, select the type of account you want to open. I will select checking. You will then be asked if you want to open an individual account or joint checking account. I will select individual account. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and tap on the Get Started button. Further, go ahead and fill in the form shown to you. Start by entering your first name, last name, your suffix. You will then be asked to fill in your current home address in the shown location or not. Select yes or no depending on your preference. Further, enter your date of birth and your social security number and also your contact information. That is your email address and your phone number, and tap on the Continue button and further fill in the on-screen prompts details, and with this your account will be created. So, this is how you can open or create Charles Schwab account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.